So hi, good evening students. Okay, so we are live now. Good evening everyone. Hi. Okay. Now quickly all of you join the class. We can start our solving our model paper 3. I think all of you are very much fine at your homes. Okay. So in the yesterday's class we were solving part B and we disconnected because of power cut problem, and I think we were solving problem number 36. Okay, and some of you are complaining that sir you are explaining very fast and we are not unable to follow it like that and all. So if anyone have that type of problems, you can just tell me so that I can go very slowly with my explanation, so that you can also follow the classes and you can understand what I am explaining. Okay, so good evening everyone, and welcome to this session. Yesterday we were doing problem number 36, right? Yesterday we were doing problem number 36, and in this problem number 36 you can just see there are three vectors, that is vector A comma vector B and vector C. Vector A comma vector B and vector C given by mod of vector A equal to 3, mod of vector B equal to 4, and mod of vector C equal to 5. Clear? So here each vector is orthogonal to sum of other two vectors. Here if one of the vector is orthogonal to sum of the other two vectors means we know that vector A dot vector B plus vector C will be equal to 0. Vector B dot vector C plus vector A will be equal to 0. And vector C dot vector A plus vector B will be equal to 0. Okay, so quickly everyone understand this. Orthogonal means they are perpendicular to each other. Each of the vector perpendicular to sum of the other two vectors. That means their dot product has to be 0. That is vector A dot vector B plus vector C must be equal to 0, right? Okay, so now what I will do, I has to calculate mod of, see here I has to calculate mod of vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Clear? So if I want to find this, you just see if I square this, you know that it will be equal to mod of vector A square mod of vector B square plus mod of vector C square plus 2 times of vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A. Okay, so all of you know this formula, so that you have three equations now. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Add all three equations, so you are going to get before adding the equations you just multiply them. They are going to be vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C equal to 0, and second equation will be vector B dot vector C plus vector B dot vector A will be equal to 0, and you can see the third equation, that is vector C dot vector A plus vector C dot vector B equal to 0. Okay, so by adding these three equations, what we are going to get, see here, A dot B plus A dot B, what you will get, 2 times of A dot B. A dot C, what you are going to get, 2 times of A dot C. b dot c plus b dot c, you will get 2 times of b dot c. So therefore this will be equal to 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a plus c dot a will be equal to 0, okay. So therefore by adding 1 2 3 you get 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a will be equal to 0. Therefore this is going to be equal to, you just see, 2 times of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a will be 0. What is mod a? Mod a is 3, 3 square is 9, plus what is mod b? 4 square is 16, plus what is mod c? C square is 25. So you see this will be 50 and this term is 0, okay. So now this is 50, you have mod of vector a plus vector b plus vector c square. So if I apply square root on both sides, it will be mod of vector a plus mod of vector b plus mod of vector c equal to root 50, that is nothing but 5 root 2. This is your answer, okay. So quickly all of you give me the thumbs if you have understood this very important problem regarding your vectors, and so many times they have asked in annual exam question papers. So this also in the year of 2020 September, I think there also they have asked this. So quickly give me thumbs if you are understanding this, and you also tell me about my speed, my explanation and everything, so that you have to adjust with it, okay. So sometimes I will be going very fast, so that's why I want to give some breaks for my speed, because all have to understand the explanation. That is my intention, okay. So quickly, if all of you give me the thumbs, we can go for problem number 37. So you just see the problem number 37, okay. What is problem number 37? We have to find the distance between two lines. What are the two lines? Vector r equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda times of I cap minus j cap plus k cap, okay. So another equation is vector r equal to 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu times of 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Clear? Okay. So now you just see here, a1 vector will be equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and a2 vector will be 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap, and b1 vector will be from your vector r, that is I cap minus j cap plus k cap, I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and vector b2 will be equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Clear? Okay. So now distance formula is what? Quickly remember distance formula, everyone. So distance equal to, so quickly tell me if the sketch pen which I am using, if it is not visible, you have to tell me, okay. Sometimes I will be changing the color, so that's why if it is not visible, quickly you have to tell me, because some colors will be not visible on the screen. So that's why I am asking, if they are not visible, you have to tell me, okay. So now distance will be equal to what? Distance will be equal to mod of vector a2 minus vector a1, mod of vector a2 minus vector a1 okay. So this is distance equal to okay, see this, distance will be equal to mod of vector a2 minus vector a1 dot with this is a2 minus a1, this is vector b1 cross vector b2 divided by mod of b1 cross b2, mod of b1 cross b2. Okay, so now you just see, first we have to write a2 minus a1, 2 I cap minus I cap will be I cap, minus j cap minus 2 j cap will be minus 3 j cap, minus k cap and minus k cap will be minus 2 k cap. Okay, on the same way we have to calculate b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 will be what? Determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap, and the second row is 1 minus 1 plus 1, and the third row is 2, 1 and 2, and you can just see that second row will be from b1, third row will be from b2. Okay, here second row will be from b1 and third row will be from b2, coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap. So that is equal to I cap into minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into 1 is 1, so that will be minus 1, minus j cap into 1 into 2 will be 2, 2 into 1 will be 2, so that is minus 2, plus k cap into, you can just see 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus into minus will be plus 2. So this is minus 3 I cap minus 0 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, you got b1 cross b2, you got b1 cross b2. Clear? So now you have to see here what is mod of b1 cross b2, that is also needed. So that will be square root of minus 3 square is 9, 0 square is 0, 3 square is 9, so this will be root 18, that is nothing but 3 root 2. Root 18 is nothing but 3 root 2. So therefore you just see here, I will write here only a2 minus a1 is I cap minus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap dot with b1 cross b2 is minus 3 I cap, 0 j cap you leave it, no problem, plus 3 k cap divided by 3 root 2. Okay, I cap dot minus 3 I cap is minus 3, minus 3 j cap into 0 is, you can write it as 0, minus 2 k cap into plus 3 is minus 6, so divided by 3 root 2. Okay, so that will be 9 by 3 root 2, so therefore 9 by 3 root 2 is nothing but 3 by root 2 is your answer. 3 by root 2 is your answer. Okay, very good evening to everyone, welcome to the class. Some of you are joining very late, don't do like that, join on time so that you can get all the problems. So yesterday we were left with the 36th problem, so we have finished it, and we have also covered our 37th problem. If all of you are following, you have to give the thumbs. If you are not understanding the problems, you have to ask, and you have to very tentative in the class. Okay, that means you have to be following the class, you have to be understanding the class. For that you must know the concepts. Okay, you must know the formula. Clear? So if you have no doubts, quickly give me thumbs, we can go for the next question. All of you quickly give me thumbs, we can go for question number 38. Clear? Okay, so let us go for problem number 38. Okay, so this is a probability problem. So my dear students, some of you said that sir, probability is not understanding, so please explain it clearly. So that's why you listen the problem very carefully. Here we have bag 1 which contains, clearly you have to give the concentration so that you can understand. You just see here, a bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. That means there are 2 bags. In first bag 3 red 4 black, in the second bag 5 red 6 black. One of the ball is drawn in the random from the one of the bags, so it is found that it is red. Find the probability that it is from bag 2. Okay, so now clearly understand the events. I am writing here. That is, event E1 is going to be choosing bag 1. Event E1 is going to be choosing bag 1. Okay, and event E2 is going to be choosing bag 2. Clear? Now there is another event, that is A. I will take it as it is found to be red. It is found to be red. Okay, so these are the 3 events. So now you can say that probability of E1, that is choosing the bag 1, will be equal to 1 by 2. Probability of E2 will be choosing the bag 2, that will be also equal to 1 by 2. And you just see here, A event is, it is found to be red, but they have not said that it is from which bag. Please see there, they said that it is found to be red, but they have not said it is from which bag. So that's why what we have to do, we have to find probability of red ball from bag 1. That will be equal to, see that there are 3 red balls. In the bag 1 there are totally 7 balls. On the same way, probability of red ball from bag 2, that is also going to be 5 by 11. Are you getting my point? So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this much. There is bag 1, there is bag 2, and it is found to be red. So there are 3 events. Probability of event E1 is 1 by 2. Probability of event E2 is again 1 by 2. Probability of red ball from bag 1 is 3 by 7. Probability of red ball from bag 2 is 5 by 11. Okay, so this much if you have understood, quickly give me the thumbs. Okay, so that I can go for the next step. So in the next step, you see here, we have to find probability of the bag 2. The probability of the bag 2, and it is already red ball. So see here, we have to find probability of bag 2. It is already found that it is red. Okay, so now you can just see here, it will be probability of E2 into probability of red ball from bag 2 divided by probability of E1 into probability of red ball from E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of red ball from E2. Okay, so now from this you can understand very easily, we can calculate it. Probability of E2 is how much? Probability of E2 is 1 by 2 multiplied with the probability of red ball from E2 is how much? 5 by 11. So divided by probability of E1 is 1 by 2. Probability of red ball from bag 1 is how much? That is 3 by 7 plus again probability of E2 is 1 by 2. Probability of red ball from bag 2 is how much? That is 5 by 11. You can just see, I can take 1 by 2 term common from numerator and denominator, and the remaining term is 5 by 11 divided by 3 by 7 plus 5 by 11. Cancel 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. You take LCM and simplify. So that is going to be equal to 3 by 7 plus 5 by 11. This is 5 by 11. You just simplify this. LCM will be 77. So that is 3 into, okay. Here 7 into 11. That means 33 by 77 plus 35 by 77. Okay, so if I take this, it will be 5 by 11 multiplied with 77 by 68. So 11 into 1, 11 into 5. Therefore you can just see 11 into 1, 11 into 7. So that will be 35 by 68. So 35 by 68 is your answer. Okay. So very beautiful question, very beautiful chapter. If you understand the concepts, you can really enjoy solving the problems, because probability is very interesting concept. Okay. So quickly give me thumbs if you are following, if you are understanding. If you have any doubts, you can ask them, no problem. So that quickly we can go for part D and we can go through the problems. Okay. So see here. Let us go for problem number 39. Let us go for problem number 39. Okay. So that the function f from r star to r star defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is both 1 and onto, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers, all non-zero real numbers. Okay, very good. So now you just see, I has to go for both 1 and onto. So for 1 what I will do, I will take f of x1, so that will be 1 by x1. Here I will take f of x2, so that will be 1 by x2. Okay. Consider f of x1 equal to f of x2. So that will be 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2. Therefore, you can write x2 equal to x1 for every x1 comma x2 belongs to r star. For every x1 comma x2 belongs to r star. So it is 1 1. It is 1 1. Okay. On the same way, we can go for onto function. We can go for onto function. So that is, take f of x equal to y. Consider this f of x equal to y, where y is equal to what? 1 by x, and x will be equal to what? 1 by y. So here you can write, for every y belongs to r star, there exist x belongs to r star such that f of x equal to 1 by x. F of x equal to 1 by x. So therefore it is onto. Okay. So quickly tell me everyone, have you understood this? So if you have understood this, we can go for the next problem, that is problem number 40. So I think you can follow my language. You can understand what is I am explaining. You can also understand the steps what I am solving. So really, if you have any doubts, any confusions, no problem. Straightforwardly you can ask. If I do anything wrong, you can correct it. Every freedom you have. So quickly you tell me. If you give the thumbs, I can go for problem number 40. So say problem number 40. That is, A equal to matrix of 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0. B is already given. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate AC. So I will directly go for solving AC, because let us don't waste time here by writing all the matrix. Let us save the time. So directly I will go for solving AC, because A is already given. Directly I will go for solving AC. Okay. So matrix A into C. C is 2 minus 2 3. Okay. So now this will be equal to 0 into 2 is 0. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 7 into 3 is 21. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. 0 into minus 2 is 0. 8 into 3 is 24. Okay. minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 8 into 3 is 24, 7 into 2 is 14, minus 8 into 2 is minus 2 is plus 16, 0 into 3 is 0. So check once again, 0 into 2 is 0, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, 7 into 3 is 21, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 8 into 3 is 24, 7 into 2 is 14, minus into minus plus 16, 0 into 3 is 0. So that will be 9, 12 and 30. 9, 12 and 30. On the same way, we have to calculate BC. So write B matrix, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So you can write C matrix, that is 2, minus 2, 3. So by simplifying this, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 0 into 3 is 0. So that will be equal to 1, 8 and minus 2. Okay, 1, 8 and minus 2. So now we have to check. AC plus BC. So first I will write AC plus BC. What is AC plus BC? You are ready to write, you check and write here. 9 plus 1 is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. Okay. So now we can verify A plus B multiplied with C. Okay. So I will write A plus B directly. A plus B is what? 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. And you can write C here. C is 2 minus 2, 3. So I am writing some matrix directly so you can understand them. That is 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. So now we can solve it as 0 into 2 is 0, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14, 8 into 3 is 24. Clear? Next, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 10 into 3 is 30, 8 into 2 is 16, minus into minus is 12, 0 into 3 is 0. So this will be equal to 24 minus 14 is 10, 30 minus 10 is 20, 16 plus 12 is 28. Okay, so clearly you can see that AB plus C is equal to AC plus BC. A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Okay. So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this, because this type of problems takes little bit time. Everyone knows that. So again I am telling, whenever you are in annual exam, take care of your questions and try to solve other questions leaving this 40 and 41. After the completion of all the questions, you can go for 40 and 41. Okay, because they takes more time. They take more time to solve. So that's why please be careful regarding problem number 40 and 41. Okay. So now let us go for 41. So you can just see problem number 41. Solution. Okay, so directly I will write matrix A. I will not waste time here. I will write directly matrix A 2 3 3 2 3 3, and next is 1 minus 2 1. X coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 2, z coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is minus 1, z coefficient is minus 2. Okay, so now I can go for B. What is B equal to? 5 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 3. And what is x equal to? X y z. Okay, so quickly we can find determinant of A. That will be equal to 2 times of, this is plus 4 plus 1 minus 3 into 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 3 into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, right, minus, this is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. So this will be equal to 2 into 5, so it is going to be 10. Here minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5. Okay, so you can just see, this is minus 5 3, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Here 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into 3 is plus 15. So here 2 into 5 is 10, this is minus 15, minus into minus is plus 15, plus 15. So 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay, now we can go for C11 plus times of plus 4, right, minus into minus plus 1, so that is 5. Go for C12, that is minus of, you can just take minus 2 and here minus 3. So you can just see it is minus 5, minus into minus will be plus 5. C13, it will be plus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, right, minus sign, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. Okay, so now go for C21. What is C21? Cancel row column, row and column. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, right, minus sign, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus into minus is plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, minus into minus is plus 3. So C22, right, plus here, cancel row column, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, right, minus sign, 3 into 3 is 9. So this will be 13. Right, C23, that will be minus of 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, right, minus sign, 3 into 3 is 9. So you can just see this is minus 11, minus into minus is plus 11. So we have not written this, this is 5. Okay, so now we can go for C31, that is plus times of 3 into 1 is 3, this is 3 into 1 is 3, minus 6, minus into minus is plus 6. So that will be 9. So C32 minus of, cancel row column, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 3 is 3. So this is minus 1, minus into minus is plus 1. You can go for C33 plus of 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 3 is minus 3. So that is minus 7. So quickly check all the terms, and once you give me the permission, we can go for the next. Steps. Okay, you have to check all the cofactors and just tell me, so that we can go for the next step. Okay, so therefore quickly tell me, all of you, give me thumbs if you are understanding this. Give me the thumbs if you are understanding this, so that we can go for the next step. Okay, so all of you quickly give me the thumbs. So we got all the cofactors. Now we can write adjoint of A. We got all the cofactors. We can write adjoint of A. Okay, so first row as first column, So I'll write here adjoint of A, that is first row as first column. So see here, what is your first row? It is 5, 5 and 5. Okay. So we can write it as first column. So we can write it as first column, that is 5, 5 and 5. Clear? And next, second row, 3 minus 13, 11. 3 minus 13, 11. You can see the third column. That will be a 9, 1 minus 7. 9, 1 minus 7. 9, 1 minus 7. Okay. So now x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A into B. So that is 1 by 40. Here you can write 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. And you can write B also, that is 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. Okay. So now 1 by 40. 5 into 5 is 25. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 9 into 3 is 27. 5 into 5 is 25. Minus 3 into minus 4. Sorry, minus 13 into minus 4 plus 52. 1 into 3, that is plus 3. 5 into 5 is 25. 11 into minus 4 is minus 44. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Okay. 5 into 5 is 25. This is minus 44. This is minus 21. So therefore 1 by 40 into. So here you can just see 25 minus 25 plus 27 will be 52. So 52 minus 12 will be 40. Clear? 25 plus 52. 25 plus 52. 77. 77 plus 3. 80. So here we are going to get 80. Minus 44 plus 21. Minus 44 minus 21. This is minus 65. Plus 25 minus 40. So this is minus 40. So we are going to get 1, 2, minus 1. So therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. So as usual, it takes little bit time, no problem. So everyone quickly give me the thumbs so that we can go for the next problem. Okay. That is problem number 42. Clear? So you just see y is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx. So we have to prove that d square y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m ny is equal to 0. So first you differentiate, what you get, you just see a m into e to the power of mx, b n into e to the power of nx. Again differentiate, what you get, you just see a into m square e to the power of mx plus b into n square e to the power of nx. Okay. So now you got second derivative, you got first derivative, no problem. Consider the equation. Consider the equation that is d square y by dx square minus of m plus n into dy by dx plus of m n y. Okay, now we have to prove that this is equal to 0. What is d square y by dx square? You just write d square y by dx square is a m square e to the power of mx. plus bn square e to the power of nx, okay, minus of m plus n into what is dy by dx, am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx. Next, plus m n y, what is y, a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx. So now we have to simplify this. This is am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx minus m into this term minus am square e to the power of mx minus m into this term minus bmn e to the power of nx. Okay. Next, minus n into this term minus amn e to the power of mx minus n into this term, that will be minus bn square e to the power of nx. Okay. mn into a, that will be plus mn into a e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. Okay. Check. am square e to the power of mx cancelled. Minus bn square plus bn square cancelled. Here minus amn plus amn cancelled. Minus bmn plus bmn cancelled equal to 0. Okay. So therefore d square y by dx square minus of m plus n into dy by dx plus of m n y equal to 0. So this is our required answer. Okay. So still number of students has to attend the class. Those students are not attending, no problem. It is their choice, and you are not going to get the solution of model question papers live anywhere. Who are attending, very good. Who are not attending, still very good, because they all are already perfect with model question papers. So that's why they will not attend. No problem. We can go for problem number 43. Okay. So quickly tell me, all of you, are you following the class? Are you understanding the problems? Okay. Now let us go for the next question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per minute. That means length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length is equal to x meters, no problem. And it is decreasing, they have given with respect to time. So I will write it as minus 3 centimeters per minute. Okay. Next, width y. Okay. Width y. What is happening for y? Is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per minute. So rate of change of width is plus 2 centimeters per minute. Okay. So now you can just see, when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, what happens for rate of change of perimeter and the area of rectangle they have asked. Okay. So now perimeter will be equal to 2 times of x plus y. Area will be equal to x into y. So dp by dt will be equal to 2 times of dx by dt plus dy by dt. Okay. dA by dt will be equal to x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Clear? So now just put all the terms and you just simplify. 2 times of dx by dt is minus 3, dy by dt is 2. So therefore this will be minus 2 centimeters per minute. On the same way, x is 10 centimeter, dy by dt is 6 centimeter. Okay. Sorry, dy by dt is 2 centimeter. dy by dt is 2 centimeter. Y is 6 centimeter, dx by dt is minus 3 centimeter. So this is 20 minus 18. This will be equal to 2 centimeters per minute. So this is our required answer. Okay. Everyone quickly give me the thumbs if you are understanding, if you are following. if you are really understanding the problems. Clear? Very good. Now we can go for problem number 44, that is integration. If all of you give me the thumbs, all of you quickly give me the thumbs, smiles, show your cute faces, so that I can go for the next problem, that is problem number 44. Okay, very good. So let us go for problem number 44. Find the integral of dx divided by x square plus a square. So here, as you all know, put x is equal to a tan theta, and if I differentiate this, dx by d theta will be equal to a secant square theta, and dx will be equal to a secant square theta d theta. Clear? So now from this you can just replace all the terms, so that dx will be a secant square theta d theta divided by x value is a square tan square theta plus a square. So here take a outside, a square you can take outside, secant square theta d theta divided by you can just see this will be tan square theta plus 1. So tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. So secant square theta get cancel. A and will get cancel. 1 by a integration of d theta. So that is 1 by a into integration of d theta is theta plus c. And as usual, theta will be equal to tan inverse of x by a from this particular value. Okay. So now equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c is your answer. Clear? And now let us go for the problem. So for problem, you just see integration of dx divided by x square minus 6x plus 13. So already I have explained some techniques for this. If you don't know the techniques, you just go to my previous video and you can watch. So here first term x, write as it is. The coefficient of x divide by 2, that will be 3, right, whole square. So here you have minus 3, no problem. You square 3, that is 9, write with minus sign, plus 13. Okay, so this will be x minus 3 whole square plus 4. That is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So therefore this will be equal to integration of dx divided by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So here a value is 2, x value is x minus 3. So therefore your answer is going to be equal to integration of dx divided by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x minus 3 divided by 2 plus c. So this is your answer. Okay. So solving integration, differentiation, application of integration, probability and differential equations, these all are very interesting chapters. Clear? So if you want to be good at mathematics, you have to be good at those topics. So quickly give me thumbs so that I will go for problem number 45. So quickly give me thumbs, I can go for problem number 45. Okay. So still we have 45, 46, 47 and 48. 4 problems we have to solve. So quickly we can go for problem number 45. Area bounded by the region y equal to x square and y square equal to x. Okay. So now you can just see here. I will draw the curves. Okay. So this is y equal to x square. And this is going to be y square equal to x. Okay. So now region bounded by 2 parabolas. This is the region bounded by 2 parabolas. Clear? So here be careful. You have to solve the area bounded by the two parabolas. That means origin will be 0 and you have to solve the two equations so that you can get one more term. Okay, that is y equal to x square and y square equal to x you have to solve. That is going to be you can just put in the form of y as x square, y square equal to x, so therefore x square equal to y. Okay, I will use these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So that is, you just see here, in the place of y I can write root x. Clear? These are the two equations, y equal to x square and y square equal to x. So now if I take first equation, this is y square, y equal to x square, so I will make squaring on both sides. It will be y square equal to x raised to 4. Now y square equal to x I can take here, so that will be x equal to x raised to 4. Okay, so therefore x raised to 4 minus x equal to 0. You can take x term common, x cube minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 0, and another one will be x cube minus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1. Okay, so no problem. You got 0 and upper limit is 1. You got 0 and upper limit is 1. So here while solving the equations, be careful. I have considered my first equation y equal to x square and I have done squaring on both sides. So it will be y square equal to x raised to 4. So now I can take my second equation in the place of y square, that is equal to x equal to x raised to 4. I can simplify it as x raised to 4 minus x equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 will be your limits. Now required area will be equal to integration from 0 to 1. But my dear students, before going to the next step, I will explain it again. Okay, these are the two equations, y equal to x square and y square equal to x. Here I will take the first equation, that is y equal to x square. I will make squaring on both sides for this. So that will be y square, this will be x raised to 4. So now this is y square, right? Using second equation, y square is what? X. So in the place of y square, I can replace x equal to x to the power of 4. So that will be x to the power of 4 minus x equal to 0. So next you can simplify x into x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0, x cube minus 1 equal to 0. That is nothing but x equal to 1. Okay. Now integration from 0 to 1. My dear students, you just see here, if I take this particular curve, that is y square equal to x, and if I take area under this curve, the complete area will be included. See this, the area here will be also included, okay. If I take area under y square equal to x, so you write it here, y square equal to x. So I will write minus area under y equal to x square, minus area under y equal to x square. So this area will be removed, and you can get your required area. Okay, so if I subtract it with, see this, y will be equal to x square. Okay, so now y square equal to x. So sorry, here y square equal to x means you have to write it as y equal to root x. Okay, so this will be y equal to root x. Okay, so here you will become root x minus, and now we have to subtract area under this particular curve, that is y equal to x square, because we need the portion where I have drawn the line, and we have to remove the shaded portion. So that is under y equal to x square. So this will be with respect to dx. So if you have understood, please tell me. If you have not understood, I will explain it again. Here you have two curves. One is, you just see this curve, that is y equal to x square, sorry, y square equal to x. This is the curve y square equal to x. Okay. So if I calculate area under this curve, it will be complete area of the triangle. If you can take it as AOB. Sorry, AOB. Okay. AOB. That means here one like triangle, a triangle like shape you have got, that is from AOB, that is under y square equal to x. So now we have to remove the area which is shaded here, So you just see, I will remove the extra area. For the required area. I will remove some area. This is the area which we have to subtract, so that we will remain with required area. So the area which we have removed now, it is under y equal to x square. So that's why we have to subtract x square from root x. Have you understood this? Until and last thing you are not going to understand, I am not going to continue. You have to understand, then only I will continue. Here we have two areas on two curves. One is y square equal to x. Another one is y equal to x square. So we have to subtract the area under y equal to x square minus another one is what? We have to subtract y equal to x square from y equal to x square from y square equal to x. If you have understood this, we can continue. Quickly give me thumbs, because important. If you don't understand that, you can't write anything. So now I can go for solving this. So that will be equal to root x integration. That will be 3 by 2 x to the power of 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is okay. So here this will be equal to x to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. X to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 3 divided by 3. 0 to 1. So lower limit is 0, leave it, because if I put 0, the whole term will become 0. So you just leave the lower term. Okay. So upper term will be, if I put 1, 2 into 1 is 2 by 3. 1 is 1 by 3. So answer will be 1 by 3 square units. Answer will be 1 by 3 square units. So I think I tried my best. If you want to explain me in Kannada, I will explain in Kannada. Okay. If you want to explain in Hindi, I will explain in Hindi. If you want to explain in Urdu, I will explain in Urdu. But you have to understand this. That's all. Okay. So no problem. We can go for problem number 46. That is, solve the differential equation cos square x into dy by dx plus y equal to tan x. So now dividing by cos square x, what you are going to get? Dy by dx. 1 by cos square x is what? Secant square x into y. So tan x divided by cos square x is what? Secant square x into tan x. Okay. So now we can go for 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Again you can see 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Clear? So here I will replace 1 by cos square x as secant square x. Here I will replace 1 by cos square x as secant square x. So now P equal to secant square x, Q equal to secant squared x into tan x. Clear? So now you just see IF will be equal to e to the power of integration of P with respect to dx. That is e to the power of secant square x with respect to dx. So that is e to the power of tan x. Okay. On the same way, y into IF. So y into IF is y into e to the power of tan x equal to integration of q is secant square x into tan x multiplied with what? Your IF. So IF is what? E to the power of tan x with respect to dx. Clear? So y into e to the power of tan x equal to integration of secant square x into tan x into e to the power of tan x. So now I will put tan x equal to t. I will put tan x equal to t, so that I will get secant square x dx will be equal to dt. Okay. So that will be y into e to the power of t equal to secant square x dx will be dt. Tan x is t into e to the power of t into dt. Okay. So here you have to use Eilert form. Here you have to use Eilert form and you have to solve. You just take Eilert form and first function is algebraic, next function is exponential. So first function is algebraic, second function is exponential. Y into e to the power of t equal to, first function I will write as it is, integration of the second function will be e to the power of t minus integration of, I will write e to the power of t as it is into differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 into dt plus c. So y into e to the power of t equal to t e to the power of t minus integration of e to the power of t is e to the power of t plus c. So therefore y into t is tan x. Okay. T is tan x. Here also t is tan x minus e to the power of tan x plus c. This is your answer. Okay. So quickly, all of you quickly tell me, have you understood this? So Jayed is want to explain me in Urdu. Urdu, if I want to explain, I has to first learn Urdu. Okay. I also don't know Urdu that much, but I can explain in Hindi, no problem. But let us not waste time here. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? Okay. So now quickly we can go for problem number 47. Quickly we can go for problem number 47. So I think 1 hour is already over. So my dear students, I don't want to make you more headache. We can cover them in the next section. So tomorrow 10:30 I have some CET class for 11th standard students, that is permutation and combination, which I have done today. So that is again there in the tomorrow's class also, that is from 10:30. So try to attend that, because you can also learn some permutation and combination problems. If you all are free, you can attend that class tomorrow at 10:30 and we can continue these problems in the tomorrow's session. So I will try to take tomorrow afternoon one session at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I will take one session, and in the evening I will take at 7 p.m. as usual. Okay. So all of you quickly give me smiles. Are you understanding the classes? Already we have covered almost 3 model papers. If one more session is over, 3 model papers are over. Okay. So I will take 4th model paper and I will solve it. No problem. So all of you are interested or not? Do you want to me teach in Kannada or only in English? Do you want to teach me in Kannada and English, or do you want to teach me in only English? Tell me about the language of class. English and Kannada or only English? Okay, so we can wind up this. So from tomorrow, let us talk in both Kannada and English. Okay, so tomorrow we can talk in both Kannada and English. So from model paper, this is third one over, right? So from tomorrow we can go for both Kannada and English. Okay, so thank you. Let us meet tomorrow. Let us see. I will take at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. and 7